Okay, so anomalies matter because they might be due to an error in data collection or errors in data collection. So it might be stage 1 data quality issue. Actually, these are not anomalies in the reality. The reality is something else. These anomalies in our data set, these cases that are different from the others, are the result of some sort of error in data collection or data recording. However, they might be actually part of the reality. They might really be something different from others. Then they deserve special attention. They deserve to be focused on and asking questions like, why are they different? So let's say that we have a very, very simple data set. 2 variables. One of them age, the other one income. Okay? If someone is 18 and the income is 25K, the other person is 22 and the income is 1 million pounds, and then 23, 30K, and then 35 and 44K, etc. Okay? And then if we have still, let's say that we have at the end 1% with 80 years old age, and the income is at that time, let's say, 50K. Okay? A pension like 50K. So if you look at the one variable age, you might find this one as an outlier. Okay? While most of our employees, let's say these are employees of a company, and this age, the 80 is very different from the others. It's far from the norm of this company. So that one is an outlier. Why did I clean it up? Okay, that one is an outlier. Okay? And then if you look at the income, this one is an outlier. However, anomaly is something about both income and age together, when you consider them both together. Okay? And then when you consider both of them together, let's say that you visualize this in a 2-dimensional plot. This one is age, this one is income. And then this 1 million would be something here, while the others are around here. So this one would be, actually, this is an anomaly. So once again, anomaly is about a case. It's not about a value on a variable. But what is the relation between anomalies and outliers? This is something that we talk about in the next slide. But for now, let's come back to why do we want to record, why do we want to detect these anomalies? Why do we want to study them? If this, let me change the color. If this 1 million is something that has been added, has been recorded erroneously, wrongly, then we have to fix it. It is not 1 million, it is something like, let's say 100K. Okay? Still, you might consider it as some sort of outlier, but it's very, very different from 1 million. It's like 1/10 of the previous recording. But this is the first case, okay? So if it is an error here to record this 1 million, then you have to rectify it. You have to remove this value and replace it with something that is coming actually from the reality. But let's assume that no, you have checked it with HR invoices, and you figured out that, yeah, that's true. Someone with 22 years old is earning £1 million per year in our company, in this company. So they might really be something different from the others. This is the reality. It's not a stage 1 problem. It's not a distortion of the reality. It is actually the reality. Then you need to ask, okay, why is this person earning so much? What is the story here? And this is something that one of the reasons that we want to find anomalies, because then you might find something, maybe a corruption in this company. Maybe you found something that we have a genius person in this company. But in any case, it deserves further attention. So why anomalies? Because further attention might reveal a lot about the problem. Okay, this is the second reason. The first reason, it might be a stage 1 data quality issue. There is another reason. The third reason is these anomalies might negatively affect the modeling, predictive modeling. So this is about predictive modeling. The third reason is about predictive modeling. Either they might be ignored by the model because they are so different that the model, rather to ignore, rather to discard them, rather to disregard them, not discard them, disregard them, rather to ignore them. Or if the model does not ignore them, then they negatively affect our data set. Our modeling. Maybe our model cannot learn this anti-pattern, because an anomaly is an anti-pattern, right? Our model learns the pattern and tries to understand the anomaly from the point of view of that pattern, and it fails to do so because this anomaly is not coming from that pattern. Okay, and this failure shows itself with a very high margin of error for this case. So the third reason is we want to study them, we want to find them, we want to treat them because they affect predictive modeling. Okay, and affect, I mean negatively affect, not positively affect. So we learned about the definition of anomalies, or an anomaly, the reason behind our interest in anomalies, and now it's time to go and learn a little bit more about how to find them and how to treat them. Actually, we want to start learning, not a little bit more. We want to start learning about how to find them and how to treat them with a little bit of further prologue.